Hi, good morning, all. Yeah, today I'm going to explain about how to create a .NET application, how to host the .NET application in AWS. So we have created one account on AWS. So after we log in using that AWS, so these are the these are we will use for hosting the .NET application. EC2 means is a server, so like a Windows server. So most of the .NET applications are hosted in IIS. So EC2 is the for using for application, and we have to search for RDS. Initially we got only, you can see EC2 only. So if you want to see RDS, you can search here. So basically RDS for relational database, uh, relational database creation, like most of the .NET application use the database. So RDS is the, so you have more SQL server and MySQL, all the can be used this RDS services. So I have started this RDS for quick searching. So that is the one part. So I am going to this again home the dashboard. So in this dashboard we will go for EC2. Now I am creating to do EC2 as a first of all we are going for free trial. Why? Because AWS giving 12-month free trial. So I have one application like it's have UI and API relation, API related application. So I want to create first of all I need to create one instance. So let me check about how to create it. So this is the EC2 global view. This is the free trial we have already. I have registered. So here we have. I am going to create from using the mobile browser. So we have to launch this instance. So I will show you what the price list also. Why? Because this very useful to guide it to all the people. So who are looking for cloud hosting for .NET. Okay. So here we have to create give the server name. The server name like 1 minute. Yeah, I have added this server name like Zalona and application and images. So this is the AMI is a template that contains a software configuration, operating system application, those things. So you can leave this. This is for searching purpose only. So here we have to go for quick start. Like we have Linux and Mac OS, Ubuntu, and Windows services, and Red Hat, and CC Linux, and Debian Linux. So now I am going to Windows services. So I have to click on Windows services. So here I am trying to doing the testing only because of so I have selected these are the AMS like machine images. So internally the once you selected this, internally the Amazon will create this service. So these are the other free trial versions. So I have taken that 2025 base free trial, and others also we have. You can go through this. 1 minute I will show you. So this is a 2022 base free trial. These all are for free trial versions. And if you want to go to for with include the SQL server, so we have to go for standard, but it will take too much cost to bear. And Microsoft Windows Server 2024 with SQL Server Enterprise and web also taking too much cost for us. So these are the remaining providers which are given by Azure, AWS, sorry, AWS. So now I am going to use this 2025 base version only. So what's the difference between core base and base versions? So Windows Server is a free trial element 64-bit. So what's the difference you want to see? Just you click on this. So here you can get the details. This is a T3 micro. So 2 CPUs and 1 gigabit memory, means it's a RAM. We will get it. So and here we have the some pricing list, base pricing. Suppose if you are on demand of 1 to Pro, I think remaining servers Windows base price is 0.02. Okay, compared to I think this is the second highest compared to REHL base pricing. So suppose if I change this to core base, okay, we'll see what actually we should give the some how it will be pricing happened while you are creating the free hosting. So AMI, so see the here also T3. So here the also same price, same, but core means I think there is no UI, I think that we have to check out once. This is the 2022 base. I think only versioning different, only free trial most probably. Suppose if you see, if you go for this one, this is not a free trial. Suppose if you click on this, see how much price it will be added to our billing process. See, uh, Microsoft Windows 2022 data center editor and these things. So you can see 2022 one base. Okay, this is also eligible for a free trial, but the pricing mostly high, I think, except standard SQL server standard. Okay. These are also free trial, basic server, Windows server with SQL server standard, but they are not right on the free trial, but they are mentioned here free trial by. Okay. They are not selected here. I think I need to select here also. Okay, this is very clarity about all the services. You can check it this. Suppose if you have T3 Nano, T3 Micro. So T3 Micro means what the different zero point 0.5 only gigabits memory, 1 GB memory, 2 GB memory, small, medium. It's a 4 GB RAM, 8 GB, 2 cores, I think CPU cores. Based on that, I think this is hardware only. So suppose if you are go for Red Hat, RHEL, Linux, Ubuntu, SSUS. Suppose if you are going for Windows base pricing is 0.4. So see how much different it is. 0.12. X class means 0.2 only. So like this, all pricing will be divided based on hardware only. It will be, because hardware is high, our application performance should be increased. So this you can go through and check with AWS. I think sometimes 96 is higher end. So here also per hour they are demanding $4 per hour. It's very high for us. So small companies they can't be hide those. So no, as of now I am going for free trial only. So I will select only base. So this is selected. This is selected. I am verified, or is it okay? Again I will select the Windows. So base free trial I have selected. in 2025 version. Okay. Okay. Data center editor English, and then this is a T3 micro. Okay. Then keep file not recommended. Okay. Here we have to select the pre-trial eligible. So that server I have selected, and then I go for keep info. You can use this keep to secure connection to your instance, and so that you have access to the selected keep before you launch the instance. Okay. So default value not recommended. Okay. I'm not. Okay. This is required. Default is selected actually. And then network settings. You can very careful about this. Why? Because if you are more networks, if you are selected, it will take more amount. Okay. Allow RDB traffic from any is there. Okay. And then I don't select this HTTPS traffic, HTTP from the internet to set up on the endpoints. I didn't select anything. Just anywhere allow AWS traffic from anywhere I have added. So I will check any security group is there. I think default group is there. I have selected a default group. Else again it will create the again new security group, and it will be added as a service. They are added. Okay. Configure advanced and GP3. Okay. These are free trial eligible for customers can get 30 GB of EBS general purpose. I think hard disk they will be allow us 30 GB. Okay, if you want to add new volume, again they will be added to some prices to refresh. Okay, advanced details. Domain join directory not required. I am instance. The advanced are don't go for any advance. If you go for advance also, they will add some, because we are doing for only free trials, so that's why I don't go for any advanced things. So these are the advanced things. Okay, and this is a summary. Number of instance only one instance, and software images see what we are selected they will be add. If you want to see read more, eligible for AMI, and virtual server type instance type T3 micro is the default. The firewall security group is default, and storage is 30 GB. Okay, this is the free trial. In your first year include 750 hours of T2 micro or T3 micro. So I think I have selected. So this one is. This is sorry for disturbance. Okay. One instance only. So this is not T2 micro only I have selected, or T3 micro in a region in which T2 dot micro is unavailable. Instance uses on no pre-trial. Okay. T3 dot micro in a regions in which T3 is not unavailable. Suppose if your region is available in T2 micro, it will be used only T2 micro. I think my creation is go for Europe region only we have selected actually. Okay, now we'll do that preview code. We'll see how it will be preview happen. See this preview code, like how this is running AWS. So I have selected image like this, and resources, what the resources we have used, those will be run in next server. So I will close this one. Okay. And this is the recording, those things also not required. Okay. Now I am going to launch this service, launch this server. The server name like Ujalana, and Windows server. This is the basic. This is for free trial. You check this. This is the base free trial. Okay. Now I will launch this server. The server takes time. Once I pause this video, and will be get back to you after some time. Okay, after we successfully install, we created. So we'll see this the instance launched of instance. Okay, initiated launched instance. Now we go to EC2. Then you check. I think hopefully one instance will be should be run. Yeah, see here one instance will be run, and you can check this instances is one only here also. This is the running instances, and security gift volume means it's we are given, but hard disk, how much hard disk, I think volume means see 30 GB they are provided for as a pre-trial. See here, sorry for the past. Okay. And then you can check this instance is running. Okay. So what we should do is, suppose if instance is running, is take some credits also. So that's why I want to stop this instance actually. 1 minute, I will check it. Instance state. Okay, here you check. Suppose if you click stop, so this instance will be stopped automatically. Okay, what is that instance we have created already. So I am going to stop this. Why? Because again it will be whatever we require, then only we will use it. So that's why I have going to stop. So still it's going to running. Okay, 1 minute, I will check the status and monitoring. I think these are not required actually. I will see that settings. Okay, we'll see. We'll go for again. So this is the EC2, means it's a servers only. EC means it's a servers. It may be so many servers also can create it. See here, resource in Europe, Stockholm region. So we need to go for only those regions only. If you go for any, if you go for, so by mistake you added India region, so it will be given more. It's given some extra amount. I will take it. Okay, here I want to hold this instance. How it is when I happen. See, this is our public IP and this is our private IP in local IP. Okay, instance is running. See, this is a T2. This should be required because by mistake they will be add any paid version. Again, it will be given headache to us. Okay. Okay. I will check it other way and I will stop this. Last update 1 minute. Okay. Instances. Internet robot instance start. Sorry, here stop instance. Suppose if it is this stop instance, stop instance allowed to be to reduce the cost, modify settings and troubleshooting the problem. Okay. So every time they will not be checking this. If the instance is stopped, they will be don't do any pricing. Okay. I will stop this instance. Let me check it. Suppose if you want to record this, then we will use it. Now we are going to RDS. RDS means relational databases creation in AWS. Okay. Okay. I have stopped this instance. We will check verify again. Is it running or not? See here. It will be, I think, 0 it will come and the instance should be 1. Why? Because it's not running. So if it's not running, so AWS will not be charges. This is a security group I have. You'll see that as security group. Security group, default security group I am using. Default VPN security group. One permission entry, outbound rules count 1. Okay, these are those also very important to us because sometimes they will add more pricing on this. One permission inbound rules count is one permission and outbound is one permission. Inbound means input like IP address, how to access. Outbound means suppose if you want to access to other servers, that is called as outbound. Okay. Now, now we will go to the database. Okay. Why? Because this is for application storing. Like suppose any APIs, all will go to use this EC2. Now we are going to for RDBMS means SQL server, MySQL creation, database creation. Okay. So introducing the Aurora IO. This is a new feature, Aurora IO. That will not going for that. I don't want to. So here create database. Okay, I am again I said like that we are created only database as a free trial. Okay, so free trial means like that only the cost based on cost only the performance like that. But we can see our application. Okay, this is standard create, we set as a standard create. So in RDS, see engine options. Engine options means what are the servers we require. Okay, Aurora, that is for I think Postgres they are included. Aurora actually I know, but can't be explained now. MySQL, PostgreSQL. This is PostgreSQL new one actually. MySQL most popular using and Postgres is the second one. Rendezvous, I know Oracle, okay, you know already everyone. So I will go for Microsoft. See here. SQL Server is a relational database management system developed by Microsoft Amazon RDS. SQL Server makes it easy to set up operate the SQL Server development in the cloud with Amazon RDS. You can deploy multiple editor SQL Server including Express Web Standard and Enterprise in minutes with the cost efficient and resizable computer capability. So that is that. Okay. Now I have selected the Microsoft SQL Server. So RDS fully manages your database. Okay, that is okay. RDS is your database. SQL Server Express Edition. Okay. See, affordable database management system that supports database size up to 10 GB only. Okay. I think it will be managed to 10 GB only. Okay. So license included. Here we need to go for very carefully. Okay, they given these many SQL server details 2016 to 19 and 2020. So automatically they selected, so I am using this one only. Why? Because most performed only they given. Suppose see here, these are the types of SQL server. This is a free one. Suppose if you select SQL web edition, see here, I will show you SQL server express edition. Okay, in this express edition, see, free trial available. Okay, here free trial available. Suppose if you go for web edition, there is no free trial, only dev and test. This instance is a development to use outside of the production environment. Okay, so we go for SQL server express edition. Okay, this is the engine version. Okay, what is the engine? They are saying like the engines, like SQL server, all these like engines. Already I told you. So here we go for free trial only. Okay, here database name we have to create. So here we have to go for each and every information. Why? Because in local dedicated systems are different. Cloud systems are very difficult to specify the name in the unique for the all DB instances owned by your AWS account in the current region. DB instance identified in a case instance but stored all lower cases. Okay, we have to create as a lower case only. Okay, so I will give this database name as PUZ. 1 minute, I am hold. Yeah, my database instance I will give like a PUZ. Okay, this is the master username, that is fine. Okay, credentials master. Type a login ID of the master user of the your DB instance. While you are in connection, go for connection, at that time you have to give as a admin as a username. Okay, 112. You can give any other name also, but I am giving I am leave it as an admin only. And next time I will change. Self manager. Create your own password and have RDS created a password that you manage. Okay, manage any AWS secrets most secure means it's a secrets means they will be stored our DB in a separate means a password should not be can be encrypted here. So that is security reason. Okay, as per trial version I give only a normal password only. So don't go for auto generated, so every time it will change. Okay, I am passing some. Okay, no problem. What is the DB given? DB name. Okay, I'm pausing. Yeah, come back. I think it's given so some added to me because we have to give that very strong password. So that's why it's take time. Okay, include previous generation classes. Those are not required. Burstable classes including T classes. Okay. So see here. Now you can find out. Free trial only allowed. 1 GB RAM and small. It's very small, but they are not allowed to us. Extra 16 GB RAM. So it's take too much. Network is I think all are same. Okay. Okay, fine. Automatically selected. Brushless, brustable classes. So see here to that okay. Micro only. So here free trial we are selected, and what is that SQL Server Express Edition. Okay, SQL Server we have selected. Again I will recap this. My configurations. Okay, standard created. Then my SQL Server. Amazon SQL Server Express. Free trial. As the database instance name. I have given the first admin. Okay, this is password I have given, and the trial. Okay, I think may I select a different one. Is it okay or not? Not allowed me. Only this is this is only allowed me as a free trial. Okay, storage. See here, storage. Already I told you, storage is 20 GB they given for so preferences, scale and independence for storage. Those are flexible in provisioning. Those are not low latency, high. As of now, we'll go for free. So okay, I have selected this one only. Okay, storage auto scaling. So this enable storage also we should be disabled. Why? Because storage is full, it's automatically taking and they will charge us. So that's why I don't disable this. Okay, gib allow storage volume must be 20 GB. Okay, 20 gigabits means is different, GBs means gigabits means GIB means 1000 Mbps. That you have to. I think you people don't connect to EC2 computer resource. I may set up a connection to an EC2 computer resource for this database. Don't set up a connection to a computer resources for this database. You can manually set up a connection to a computer resource later. Okay, we'll connect later. I think suppose if I selected this, what happened? Choose the EC2 instance to add a computer resources for this database. A VPN security group is added to EC2 instance. Group is also added to the database in bound rules. Okay, we'll create later. Okay, why? Because again double three to some ports should be added. Suppose outside, we'll check it later. Okay, default VPN. Okay, default only will use default 3 subnets, so available zones. Okay, DB subnet group default only we are using. Does not assign an public IP address. RDS does not assign to database only Amazon EC2 instance and other resources inside the VPC. Can connect to your database, choose one or more VPC security group. As of now, press yes. What happened? RDS assign a public IP address to the database. Amazon EC2 instance and other resources outside of the VPC can connect to your database resources. Inside the VPC can also connect to a database. Choose one or more VPC security groups that specify with the I'm not getting this. Okay, same VPC we'll use. Okay, I'll put yes. Why? Because we need to connect to EC2 this instance. So that's why we did that. Do not connect to the EC2 computer resource. Okay. Choose whether to set up a connection to a computer resource for this database. Setting up a connection will automatically change connection. Okay, we'll see later those. Okay, available zone, no preference. Okay, it will create automatically. If you set the preference, it will cost us. You create an RDS proxy. It's a fully managed, highly available database proxy that improves application scalability. As of now, we don't want. Okay, create a authority option. Okay, expired in see RDS. Default only I used it. I think it's given 24 hours. So this is the additional configuration. Okay, 1433. It is IP port that database will use this for application connection 1433 the default database. Okay. Microsoft Server Windows and choose a directory in which you want to allow authentication domain with this SQL Server instance using the Windows authentication. Okay, not required as of now. Windows authentication not required. Tax option. Notice with this resources you can add up to 50 more tags. Okay, turn on performance inside not required. performance inside means retention period free trial default AWS turn on performance inside okay, no need this performance as of now, because if you are missing that enable enhancer monitor, these are we don't add it. Additional configuration default SQL Server EX only. If you want to see additional, okay, only one they give it. Okay, no problem, no preferences. Time zone also not preferred. Enable automatic backup, you can remove this, because if you are added they will charge as of now not required. We have error logs also not required. I am a role, see this RDS server linked. Okay, maintenance enable auto monitor version updates. See, these are the maintenance, those also not required. Choose an windows, maintenance window, select a period you want to period modification or maintenance to the database by Azure RDS. I think if you want to delete first, enable delete protection, protects the database from being deleted accidentally. Will this option is enabled, you can't delete the database. This is one of the features, but we should not go to estimated monthly cost. See here, this is the main important. The Amazon RDS free trial is available to you for 12 months. Each calendar month, the free trial will allow you to use RDS resources listed below for free. 750 hours of Amazon RDS single agent is T2 micro or T3 micro. I think some centers are not have T3. They will allow to 20 GB of general purpose storage and 20 GB of automated backup storage and any user instance in DB. Okay. When your free usage expires, if your application use exceed of the free usage types, you simply pay standard, pay as you go services as rated. Okay, these are the things to create the database. Okay, just I think standard express selection only. Yes. 1 minute, I am pausing now. 1 minute. Yes, sorry for distance, sorry for delay. Okay, I'm going to create. This is only I have doubt. We'll see if I created, is it workable or not. Okay, I disable all the things. This is the type free trial. See, this is free trial version. Whatever it they given, all don't connect to the EC2 compute resource. Okay. The Amazon RDS, these are the engines, DB engines, standard. Okay. What is my pricing? This one? Do not. What is this actually? Jones and default only. Okay, default subnet. All are subnet. Default. Maintenance 12 months. Want to show something? 1 minute. I've already told you. This one only, no? Right? This is the free one, 1 GB only, so it's very slow DB. Okay, for our free trial it's okay. See this free trial template, free trial. Dev and testing is different. Okay, I'm going to create the database. Yeah, it's asked for this. Okay, I will fix this and enable it. 1 minute. Yeah, again come back. I think I given in my password. So this is the second line. Cannot contain any of the following symbols. No? Let's contain the symbol. So that's why it's not created. Now I am going to create this database, pre-trial database for. Yep. I think it takes time to create database because yeah, database first is created. Okay, add purpose, create a restriction and that's for 30 days. Okay, you simply close this. Okay, let's go and introducing global database origin endpoints, each global person now. Group resources, databases. Still is going to create it. Okay, I will pause as of now. We'll see after creation. We'll see how database is created. Yeah, get back to this video. I am trying to conclude this because RDS creation takes time in AWS. See here, just what happened in this. I told you one div instance one. I'm saying about div instance one and see here the default parent group. Parameter groups default one means only given the default group, and you must be remember your whatever password you have to give in it while creation. This is a subnet mask. Okay, if you want to create again new database, you can go through this. Okay, view service, health service is operation normally. Okay, so suppose if I want to go to this div instance and DBs, so here you can check our DB identifier. So because of mobile view like this, it's opening. Okay, still status is creating. So these are that we have created already. Okay, see the dbt3 micro and means as a small one. Okay, one thing I want to show you, 1 minute. So still it is going to run. Once it's created, it will assign to us what are the endpoint and ports they will give it to us. Then we'll connect directly to our application. Okay. That is this video conclusion. Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a good day.